So I'm running a digital marketing agency and we regularly create creatives and posters for our clients. And I've created this Telegram bot using Google Gemini who helps me to create these posters and creatives. I'm just going to show you how this Telegram bot is going to work. So let's say I want to design a futuristic tech poster for this electronics brand who has recently launched their smartwatch. So I've entered the details right over here and within seconds and in real time it has shared me the poster for the same. You're going to see that it is saying launching the V1 smartwatch, and over here is the tagline which we have mentioned right over here, and it is exactly the same. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of Telegram bot which we're going to create in today's video using Google Gemini. What is going to happen is that whenever I'm going to message anything on this Telegram group, Google Gemini is going to generate the poster or the image related to the same, and we're going to post it back again on our Telegram group. This can be really helpful for your own digital marketing agency because my team regularly generates multiple images using this Telegram group. And yes, I'm just going to show you in today's video how you can also create this for your own business or your own agency. Alright, so to do this you have to open the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Once you're on the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can approximately reply to 100 of messages for free. And yes, as you can see, we're going to use Google Gemini in today's video. Alright, so let's go back towards our workflow builder. So if you're a new user, sign up first inside Pabbly Connect, come on the dashboard, open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started we have to click on this add trigger button, and for the trigger application we have to search for Telegram. So let's search for Telegram bot and select it. For the event you have to select it as set webbook/watch updates and click on this connect. Once you click on this connect, it is saying select existing connection or add a new connection. So if you have already created the connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for this token. So to get this token, open your Telegram, then search for bot father and open bot father. After you come on this bot father, click on this button which says start. Now you're going to receive this message. So for that you have to go to it's the /new bot on this message. Now it is saying alright, a new bot, how are we going to call it? So let's say I'm going to call this bot as image bot and I'm going to send this. It is saying alright, let's choose a good username for your bot. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have a username which is unique and not taken till now. So I'm going to keep the bot name as image bot PC_bot. So it is really important that you mention _bot at the end of the username. Alright, so I'm just going to enter this bot username and as you can see the API token is generated. So let's copy this API token right over here and we're going to paste it on our workflow. And after pasting this API token, click on this save and your Telegram bot account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy and so useful, right? And yes, after creating this connection, what you have to do is first of all go back towards Telegram, go to the group in which you want to send messages and receive messages in, and add the bot in this group. Open bot father. As you can see over here is the bot username, so copy the bot username, then open the group, go on the members and click on this add new member button. Now add the user right over here. So as you can see that this is the bot and I'm just going to add this bot. So as you can see we have successfully added the bot. Now give this bot the admin access. So to give this bot the admin access, you have to use your mobile phone. You have to open Telegram on your mobile phone. So come on, do this with me. Open Telegram on your mobile phone, then go on the group, then go towards the group name. You're going to see all members. So go towards the bot and slide and give the bot the admin access. You have to click on the promote and then promote this bot to admin. So as you can see, I've successfully promoted this bot to admin. So let's close this and once again we're going to open the members. For that we're just going to refresh it and you're going to see that this bot is promoted to admin. Alright, after promoting this bot to admin, we are ready. Now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to type the message right over here. ahead. But before we do this, you have to go back towards your workflow and click on this save and send test request. After you click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So do a test submission and enter the message right over here, using which you're going to generate the image. So let's enter the message. So as you can see that this is the message, and I'm going to send this message. Once I send this message, we have completed the test submission, and after entering this message, let's open our workflow, and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. In this message text, you're going to see that this is the prompt which we have received, using which we're going to generate the image. So with this, we have completed the connection between Telegram and Pabbly Connect. Now click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Gemini and select Google AI Studio. For the event, you have to select it as generate and edit images nano banana and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and we have to get this API token. So to get this API token, open your Google AI Studio. Once you're going to open your Google AI Studio, from the left end of the site, you're going to see the option of get API keys. So let's wait, and you're going to see the option of this get API key. So let's go on this get API key button, and you're going to see all the API keys which I've already created. If you wish to create a new key, go on this create key button, enter your key name, select the project, and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Then simply copy the API key and paste it right over here. And after we paste this API key, click on this save, and your Google Gemini account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the prompts over here. I'm just going to simply enter the text message which we have received, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see, I've successfully entered this prompt right over here. So I've entered this prompt right over here as it is, as I received from the response of Telegram. If you wish, you can definitely add a line before this, like create an image for or something like that. It totally depends upon how are the messages you're going to send on this group. So I send clear messages, so I've entered the prompt directly as the message text. But if you don't send clear messages, you only send image of a kid playing in a park, then what you can do is you can write static information right over here in the prompt, like create an image of, and then the text which you have received from Telegram, you can map it. Alright, the next is this image URL. So this is of a no use right now because we are creating a new image. If you want to edit an image, what you can do is you can enter the prompt, and then you can also get the image URL from Telegram, and you can add the image URL, you can map it right over here, and it is going to edit that image too. Alright, so after doing this, click on the save and send test request, and once we click on this save and send test request within seconds, and in real time it is going to generate the image using the same details. And over here the image is ready, and as you can see, this is the file URL. So let's copy this, and I'm just going to open it in a new tab to check that image is created or not. So as you can see, the image is created, and this is the tagline too. So yes, now let's add it on our Telegram. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Telegram bot, select it. For the event, select it as send a photo and click on this connect. We have recently created a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect. Then click on this select existing connection and then save. And once we click on this save, it is asking me for the chat ID. So to get this chat ID, open your Telegram and open the group in which you want to reply. And over here, you're going to get this chat ID, which is after this hashtag. You have to make sure that you also copy the hyphen and paste it right over here. So over here, as you can see that this is my chat ID, and my Telegram is in A version because I have this A hashtag, then hyphen, and then this chat ID. But if your Telegram is in K version, first of all, make sure to switch it to A version. You have to go towards this menu. Then after this, you are going to get this option to switch to A version right over here, like I'm getting to switch to K version. So make sure that you are on the A version, then copy the chat ID, paste it right over here. It is asking for the captions. If you wish, you can enter the caption like here's the image. Alright, so I'm just going to enter this caption, and now for the file ID or the URL, I'm going to simply map the file URL with Gemini generated. For the pass mode, I'm going to keep it as markdown. If you're going to enter HTML caption, you can keep it as HTML. For the disable notifications, I'm going to keep it as no. If you wish, you can keep it as yes. After doing this, you have to click on this save and send test request, and when you click on the save and send test request, you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this on our Telegram. So let's open our Telegram, and it is saying here's the image. And as you can see that this is the poster of the same brand we wished for. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And now what is going to happen is that whenever I'm just going to add the text right over here and I'm just going to send this text within seconds, and in real time the poster, the image or the creative will be generated and sent back on this Telegram group automatically. We don't have to go back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend like this. And yes, we have successfully created this Telegram bot using Google Gemini. So go and try this amazing Telegram bot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, I'm just going to attach the coupon code for you. Using this coupon code, what you can do is you can get a good discount on your Pabbly Connect subscription. As you can see, this is the coupon code on my screen, and also this coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check from there too. You can use this code to purchase Pabbly Connect, but first try Pabbly Connect. Once you like it, then you can go further and purchase Pabbly Connect. And yes, right now we are offering 100 of tasks free. This means that you can first try it thoroughly, and then only if you like, you can definitely go for the subscription plans. Alright, so we also offer an unlimited subscription plan where what is going to happen is that you're going to get unlimited tasks, which is a lifetime deal. So you can also go for that plan too. I'm just going to attach the coupon code. You can check it out. So go and try this amazing Telegram bot using Google Gemini, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my prompts and create this for your own business. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.